Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore messages icon on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if you have accidentally removed your messages icon from the home screen, then to add or restore it, swipe up and open apps screen, and from here find the messages app icon, and after finding press and hold on it and then drag it to your home screen. So now you can see the messages icon is restored. So that's how you can restore messages icon on Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.